Hello and good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. I just wanted to share what I have for groceries this morning. I have Atlantic salmon over here. You know, salmon is good for you. It has good fats that helps you to reduce the inflammation. It's also good for cardiovascular health. So this is good for you. I also have bananas. I use those mostly with for my smoothies. I have potatoes. I'm gonna make a note here. Some people have stopped eating potatoes. Potatoes are real food. We should be able to eat them. They have complex carb, and your body needs that to function. We have plantains. They also help us with complex carb. We have zucchini right here. They are good for soups. You can make stew. And I also have a yellow squash over here. It's also good for soup. Mangoes here. I either eat them as fruits or make fruit bowl. I have yellow and red bell pepper. These ones are good for soups. They're good for salads. Another tomatoes, good for salads. And spring onions. I kinda use those to garnish my stuff, my soups or my stews. I have seeds, which are nuts. I have sunflower seeds, and I have almonds over here. These are good for you. They're a good source of protein. Instead of grabbing a bag of chips, these are better options for snacking. So always make a note on those instead of eating a bag of chips, which are unhealthy and loaded with salt and anti-calories. So these are better options. I have a cantaloupe over here. I use it either for juicing or for juicing or fruit bowl. I have pineapple over there. Pineapple is really good for you. It helps us to fight inflammation in our body. And the celery here, I also use it as in my green juice too. So it's also good for you. I have a grapefruit here. I use these as my detox, and as you know, grapefruit burns fat in your body. I have some oranges here. They are rich cuties. They are rich in vitamin C. You know what vitamin C does? It helps us with immunity. It's rich in antioxidants. So something that you wanna eat. I have cilantro here. I can eat it raw. I can use it to garnish my soups and all that. I have grapes. With grapes, you have to eat them with moderation because they have lots of sugar in them. So eat them with moderation. But I normally buy those, especially for the days that I'm having cravings. So I grab one or two, and it kind of helped me instead of grabbing chocolate or some that has a whole bunch of calories. Here I have my 15 bean soup. I'm gonna be making soup with these. It's awesome good. I also have my quinoa here. I normally use organic quinoa. It's also good source of protein. And it's good complex carb, rich in fiber too. So that's awesome. I have avocado here. You know, avocado has good fat that your body and my body need. So this is something, it's good fat. But also with avocado, you have to eat it with moderation. I have apples here. You know how it goes with apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. And that's a fact. It's not a myth. So That's something that you need to add or include in your diet. I love me some sweet potatoes or yam, whatever you want to call them. I can bake them, I can boil them, I can saute them. You can do a whole lot of, you can even make fries, you can do mashed sweet potatoes. They have less calories than doing potatoes. We have carrots, good eyes, rich in vitamin A. You can make juice, you can make salads out of that. I have butternut squash at the back there. It's good. You can roast it, you can boil it, you can make soups, you can do different things, healthy things with it. I have kales, super kale. Kales are super vegetables, and those who are low in who are anemic, this is something that you need to consider in your diet. Kales have tons and tons of benefits. It's good for those pregnant women. It's rich in folate, so this is something that you need to add or include into your diet. They are good. You can eat them raw. You can make soups, make salads, and all that. And kale kind of goes with it, with a whole lot of stuff. We have a cabbage here. This is in the cruciferous family, and it's in the same class as broccoli. And cabbage is good. You can make soups out of it. You can eat it raw. You can steam it, and it's really good for you. I have spaghetti squash here. I substitute these with regular spaghetti. Instead of eating regular spaghetti, I use this because it's a vegetable and it's low in calories, so that's kind of like what I use. We have boy choy here, like spinach. Use it in soup. You can eat it. You can use it in salad, whatever you want to do with it. But I bought it because I need to make some soup with it this week. You can use it to garnish too. Done that before, so that is pretty much what I have today. I normally I did not put everything that I bought, especially the frozen stuff. I use frozen vegetables to kind of help me with the soups and all that. But normally what I put over here is like just my fresh groceries, and this is about it. I left out the berries, which are important for you to have. But I got all these from Walmart. But I love getting my berries from Aldi's, which are cheap, and I'm gonna be doing that later today. But all these I got it from Walmart. Walmart is a little bit expensive than Aldi's, so if you're trying to get something cheaper, go to Aldi's. Aldi's is a better option, and it can help you to save. So that's why I go for my berries. I get my onions over there, and this is it for today. And guys, have a good day. All right, thank you.